Hello everyone, this is Granddad Young. In this video, we are going to talk about a letter of the English alphabet. We are going to talk about the letter G. Capital G, little g. What words begin with G? Garden. G-A-R-D-E-N. A rectangle of land used to grow vegetables or flowers. The word garden begins with the letter G. You find many plants in a garden. Garbage. G-A-R-B-A-G-E. The refuse and junk that people do not want. Vegetable gardens create garbage. What kind of garbage? Usually inedible stems, leaves, and husks. Goat. G-O-A-T. The word goat also begins with the letter G. Some goats eat garbage for food. The goat stood on the block. What was he doing? Eating garbage. That just goes to show someone's garbage is another's grub. Right, back on task. What sound does the letter G represent? G. Can you say G? Very good. G, the seventh letter of the English alphabet. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe. Thank you.